Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. Now today we start our topic 4.2 variation in a species. Open your book page number 56. Last topic we study species. What is species? Because we have a lot of kind of living organisms, then different kinds of organisms we put into different groups. We make different groups. And this one kind of animal we put in one group, that is called species. But even these groups have the same species, but inside the species there are many variations, many differences from one living organism to another. For example, here you can see this is one species, that is dog, belongs to domestic dog, but it is one species. Even there are lot of differences between them. Some are small in size, some are big, some have long ear, some have short ear, some have a short and sharp mouth, and some have big. Okay, and you can see that they have different colors, not one color. These differences are called variation in a species. And then the next picture you can see flower. Here this is flower is another species. This is a daisy flower, but you can see the size of the flower is different from one to another. And maybe sometimes the number of petals different from one flower to another flower. And here he give you different kinds of flower. You can see flower we put in one category. Flowers are one species, but you can see they have different colors, different size of the flower, and different number of petals, and they have different smell. Okay, these all are called variation in the species. Now here we take the data. This data we write in digits, and this data we write in tally. Okay, now we draw the graph. On the x-axis, this line is called x-axis, and this horizontal line, and this vertical line is called y-axis, and this graph is called bar graph, because this is like a bar and this is called bar graph. Which flower is the most in this graph? That is yellow. And which flower is the least? That is pink. You can see clearly, quickly. Okay, which two flower have the same value? That are orange and cream. We represent our data in the graphically form to check quickly which is the most, which is the least, what is the variation from one to another. Okay, these different things that we can see quickly. And this is data we write in table, we say tabular form. Okay, and the data that we write in the form of graph, we say graphic. And we have different kinds of graph. For example, bar graph, line graph, and pie graph. Okay boys, this is our topic today, and you must be wise. Bye.